go to RogerHollowayHomes.com.
Hey guys, I'm on location in Indian Trail. Got some new lots opened up. Ooh, sold sign, ouch. Here in Heritage. Now, Heritage is a really interesting subdivision where Stanley Martin came in with, when they were still called Essex, now Stanley Martin, 135 is available, came in and began together to sell in the 55 plus section. Now, MI Homes came in also with a great ranch model, but they were selling a lot of two-story plans as well, 136, 137. And so what has happened here is they sold that out. Everybody's getting along great. Have had some of my YouTube subscribers move in, love it, and a great location to a lot of places. And yet they sold out. So MI has a section a little off from the 55 plus, and theirs is not 55 plus. But there's plenty of 55 plus grouped, and I think you will like this. Now, some new lots opened up, and here we are with new product, mostly in the 600s, but I noticed there's some in the high 500s. So current pricing, you do want to give me a call. That's the road that leads back to the older section. 143 on the corner is available, 144. So guys, you can tell these are ready for quick move. These are almost done. They're just putting them up. 145. Pretty good amount of room between the houses. You can see that right there. That looks pretty good. I want to say 20 feet, but it's not quite, I don't think. Don't hold me to it. This one's sold. Really good looking. Some of Eastwood plans, great ranch plans, by the way. Their model is a ranch. They kept their model. Stanley Martin sold their model when there was a period of time between the old section and this brand new one. But they're back open too. So Stanley Martin and Eastwood. So the main thing is for you to call, get a buyer agent. That would be my team. And that's Stanley Martin. I can tell by the wrap. That's 151. It's for sale. So what we had first seen as we came around the corner was Eastwood product. 152 is available. Now we're seeing Stanley Martin product. Good builder. 153 is available. So they've got, backing up to these woods, they've got an awful lot of inventory. So that's good, especially if you want a quick move for this fall, and we can help you. So again, never reach out to Eastwood or to Stanley Martin 155. Again, guys, these are wooded lots, beautiful. Never reach out to any builder without a buyer agent in your back pocket, because if we're not there at the beginning, the money that you're already spending for a buyer agent is wasted, because they typically do not allow us to participate if you've already contacted them. So don't do it. I'm just saying, that's the way it works. They're going to charge you the same fee whether they're paying your buyer agent or not. And as of today, most of the builders are paying, if not all of our fee, most of our fee. A lot of changes that happened. Really, this was the weekend that a lot of changes went into effect from the NAR settlement. And when you sit down with my team, every real estate agent in the country now, by the way, that's going to be a great lot right there with nothing next to it, right? It's going to be a killer lot. Expect to pay much more for that one. But now that the changes have gone into effect, no real estate agent in the country, no realtor, a member of the National Association of Realtors, will be able to even show you a house without a signed agreement with them. So you're going to hire a buyer agent, or as I say, have them in your back pocket, and then you're going to go start seeing houses. You'll find having someone representing your best interests is really important. Same thing with inspections. I was with the Home Inspection Carolina owner the other day, Preston Stanley. We did a video, and he just said, you know, between the inspector and the lender and the realtor, who else has got your best interests at heart? Now, these are Eastwood homes on this side of the street. We're back on the same side, and then we're going into some 159s available, corner lot. Now we're going into the Stanley Martin inventory right here. So the point about having a buyer agent, that's 187 on the corner, is that, guess what? 188. Well, they've got a lot of inventory available. So let's go get you a house. That one's sold. The point being that you go into one builder's model and you are pretty well bedazzled by the greatness of the salesperson, but that's where it ends. You go next door to the other salesperson and you'll be dazzled again. You'll be bedazzled. You'll be dazzled, be again. And so the point is, if you go in with a buyer agent, And again, think about it. Most, if not all of our fee is built into the price of the home, and they're paying it. So money wasted without a buyer agent. And I think you'll find, I'm going to take you through the old section just for a moment and just show you the closeness to it. Now remember, just behind right where I started this video, and here are two, not ranch, not 55 plus, 2-story and ranch. Like here, we've got a ranch plan from MI. It's been lived in for several years because they had a ranch model, and people often buy the model. And then you have a section of 2-story. So this is not age restricted. Whereas the other sections, the one we drove through that's under construction, that is age restricted. I love this median, look at that. We're going up towards the clubhouse. So you'll drive to the clubhouse or a nice long walk to the clubhouse to play pickleball or enjoy the pool, but it's a beautiful clubhouse. Now on my right, we see existing, to my right, you can't see it, 55 plus, and then to the left, non-55 plus. Again, this is Indian Trail. You're right down the road from Sun Valley, movie theaters, restaurants, the wines, Grapes is the name of the little wine bistro there, some great restaurants. And you're not far from Wesley Chapel. You're not far from anything down here on the southeast side of town. Again, on my right, 55 plus. On my left, not so much. I think I rhymed that. I got Jude, the realty dude in the back. Oh my goodness, wait a minute. I think he's standing up. No, he's getting ready to sit down. It's like he wants some screen time. Now, I believe that these are part of the 55 plus, that it actually began again right here. I know it is on the right. And now we're gonna go and just take a quick glance at the clubhouse, which is gorgeous, by the way, and just show you, I wanted you to see how far, if you got into your golf cart, that would be for you to get over here and to see it. So that's what we're doing right about now. And then I wonder if Jude's gonna stand back up. That'd be cool, wouldn't it? The Jude dude, the realty dude. Parking lot, looks like pickleball over there. Little hot for it outside today. Look at that. If you're a subscriber to my channel, you remember when this was under construction. Really nice looking, real majestic. And this is for the 55 plus only. So that kind of sets all that to rest. So I had a real estate dog, Jude. Jude. Hey Jude, congratulations on passing your exam. Hey Jude. Jude, come, right here. Don't be shy, boy. You're a real estate dog. You're a realty dude, aren't you? Yes, you are, aren't you? You like being on camera these days, don't you? All right, guys, 704-345-3400. We can help you anywhere in the greater Charlotte area on both sides of the state line, North and South Carolina, and we'd love to. Can also help you list and sell your home. Love to help you. 704-345-3400. We'll see you in the next video.
Go to RHy&x.com.